Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the head unit correctly. Turn ignition to ACC or keep engine running so settings don't corrupt. Once done, back up Bluetooth pairings and navigation favorites to your phone or cloud because a reset erases them. Now open the Settings app, then choose System or Device Info. This path varies by manufacturer, but you need to reach the reset options. You do this to protect data and ensure the unit has continuous power during the next steps. You select Factory Reset or erase all data and follow on-screen confirmations, because this restores system files to known good defaults and removes corrupted settings. Before that, make sure to clear cache and app data for Android Auto or media apps if your unit offers it. That can fix software conflicts without a full wipe. Once you confirm reset, the unit will reboot and may run initialization routines. Make sure not to cut power or unplug USB devices, since interruptions can brick firmware or corrupt storage. After reboot, you reconfigure. Pair your phone, reconnect Wi-Fi, and restore navigation or app accounts from your backup so everything functions again. Then check for a firmware update and apply it. Updates patch bugs that cause the issue. If the unit fails to boot, responds slowly, or gets stuck in a loop, try the hardware hard reset button if present, or perform the reset again. If problems persist, contact the dealer or manufacturer support. Don't force power cycles that could worsen a hard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.